this video, we are going to talk about how to make online exam using Google Classroom and how to set the timer for the exam. Okay. Then first we have to, for this one, first we have to take the Google Classroom. Then go to classwork, and in this one create option is there. Click on the create option and quiz assessment is there. Okay. Then you can give the title of the quiz if you want, or you just click on the blank quiz option. Then it will open a form here. Here you can give the name of the form. For example, if you want model exam 2020, like that. So that name you can give for the form. Okay. And here there are different type of question you can make using this form. So first, if suppose that if you want your student name there, you can make a short type your name like that one. You can give some instruction name. Suppose that if you want a roll number also, then short answer. So this field you can make it as a required field. That means they should enter the details like that. Okay. Now, if you want add question, click on this plus button here. Then here you can see which type of question you want, you can add. So first I am adding one multiple choice question. I already made question. So first question I'm adding is one multiple choice question. So I'm adding one question. Then you can set the options for this one, whatever the answer you need for that one. How many options if you want, you can set it. Then next option, I already copied all the things. Then next option, if you want one more option, you can click on this add option. Then okay, so this way we can set the answer choice questions answer. So if you want to set the answer key for this one, you have to give the correct answer. Click on the answer key option, then click the correct option there. Then if you want to give the mark or point for this particular question, you can give this. Okay, then next question type we can check. We can have short answer question, multiple choice question like that. And so suppose that next question you want to fill fill in the blanks or something like that one. So they are not giving any choice here. Suppose that this is a short answer question. Okay, so this type of question you can student want to answer the correct, the planet closest to the sun is, so they have to answer key we can set as Venus. Venus we can set in different format. For example, V, okay, is a capital letters, V as a small. Suppose that the student is writing only small letter, this is the answer. Okay, like that one we can set in different format the correct answer. Then mark all other answers incorrect. That way if you are setting, then whenever the student is giving the answer, for example small letter or capital letter, all capital letter, we can make one option. Okay, like this we can set. Okay, then give the point or mark for the question, then click on done option. So this is one way to set the short answer. Okay, then next question if you want to add, you can click add question. Here we are trying to add an image. Okay, so how can we add an image type question? So I am adding the question. If you want to add a, click on this option here, add image. Okay, then you have to browse it. So already I saved the picture there. Click on the picture, then upload that one. Now that picture is also available in this form. Okay, so this way we can give the picture type question. So option you can give, or you can short answer, whatever the things you want. If you want short answer, you can make it. Okay. Then another type question, essay type questions are there. Answer key you can set as same as that of whatever I mentioned. Then next type is you can option to set this paragraph type or essay type questions are there. That type of questions we can set. First you have to copy the question, then here you have to select paragraph. Okay. Now they'll get a option to type, they have to type option, so that space for that one will be provided. For this one it's very difficult to set the answer key for that one, so the teacher want to check the answer manually. Okay. Now another type, match the following, like that question is there, you can set such type of questions also. Okay, if you want to set up a match the following, like that and questions are there. So for that one you have to select this. Here you can see multiple choice grid or checkbox grid. If there are many answers, then you can select this one. If only one is there, then you can select this multiple choice grid. Then here you have to write the question. It will be match the following. Then I'm writing the group A or row, then another, like this. Okay, if you want more, then you can add that. Then here you have to give the answer or match of that one, not exact match, you can give anything. It's not mandatory you should fill in the same A, B, C, D format. You can give any format, or you don't need to give the A, B, C, D option there. That only option you can give. Okay, this way we can set. Okay, now I'll show the preview of that particular item, match the following. So it will be look like this one. Okay, if the answer is A, if this first answer is A, student can answer A. If second answer is C, like that. Okay, so whatever the things we can give here, no, we don't need to give in order. So but only one answer student can select, like that an option is here. If there are multiple choice, there are multiple answer for one question itself, that way if you want to set it, you have to make it as that. Here you have to change that one into instead of multiple choice, you have to change it to checkbox option. Okay, so this way then you can set the answer key for this one. If this is the correct answer, then you have to set that one. Then for second one, which is the correct answer, like that one you can set. Then you can give the point for each. Okay, I'm giving in a row. Okay, this way we can set the answer key, match the following. So these are the way different type of question we can include in a model exam or in a Google form. Okay, now we have to go to the settings option. There are different. So if you want to limit only one response for one student, like that one you can give the limit one response. Okay, if you want to collect the email ID, you can click on this option, then click the save option. If you want to change the color, like that, you can use this option. Now suppose that you want a preview of this particular quiz, so it will be look like this for the student. So type the name is there, they have to type the name. Okay, then only they can go to the complete this or submit this quiz. So that is a required field. Then if you want if if you want a roll number or index number, then that can also you can add like this. Then they will answer this type of questions and they will submit. Now we have to set the time. Okay, that is very important. So sometimes we have to finish the quiz in the 30 minutes, 20 minutes like that. For setting up the time, first of all, we don't have option in the form itself. We don't have any option like that. So first we have to go to the these three dots here. Okay, you can see. Then here add-on option is there. Click on the add-on option. Then once you click on show some option here, choose your marketplace, then you have to search it. There are maybe it is available in the first row itself. Otherwise, just search timer. Okay. Just search timer. Then you will get this type of options. So you can, this is timefee.mv, that is one use. Then this one is another. So I am using this timer plus proctor. So for this one, even we can set the time. Not only that one, we can set the camera for the exam and all. That I will teach you how to do that one. Then first we have to install this one. Okay, from the continue option. Then you have to give access. So select your email ID. Then click allow option. Okay. Then it will continue. Then they will give you how to do this one. If you want to go through that one, you can, or they will give installation successfully. Okay. Then give OK. Close that one. Now in the form itself, you can see one more option, add-on option will be available now. Okay. Now click on this, then you will get timer plus proctor. So click on that option. So for that one, we have to set this. It will take some time. Just refresh if you are not getting. Then settings option. Click on the settings option. Now it will load that one. So this is the interface for the timer to set. So here first option is there. If you want to enable this one, that means proctor, that means it will find out the all the event that is done from a computer by the student. For example, we can enable this one. If you are enabling this one, they will find out all this camera, microphone, photos, tab switching, all this event it will take. So first of all, we have to give access for that. So if you want only the timer settings, then click on this only, enable timer only. Okay. Then if you want other options, then that will, you have to enable this option. And how to set timer? Click on the timer. Now duration in minute. For example, if it is a 60 minute or 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, then 60 minute you have to give here 60. Then you can set, if you want a particular day it is starting and particular time, that time it is starting, like that an option, then you have to click on this option. Here I am just giving only minute, I'm not giving a particular day for that test. So if you want, you can give, for example, if you want to start date in this day, okay, like that, start time, end date, end time, like that option. Then auto, if you're clicking this option, after the time they are not able to answer anything, it will automatically close. Then you have to click update the settings. Okay, now it is updated. Now here I am disabling all this because I don't. If you want, you can, for example, that I will show in a separate video. Here I am not just showing only the timer. For this one, if you want, for example, whenever a student is writing, we can take his photo, then we can check if anybody is nearby him, then using that microphone access and all, if anybody is helping, like that. And so we can in this window itself we can see whatever the details he checked, all the things we can check from the our side. Okay, then if I to give here I am not using that, and I am just giving only the timer. Okay, that I'll teach you in later in another video how to use that extra security for your exam, online exam. So here I am just using timer option only. Okay, now just give the enable option. Now here is the link for that one. Suppose that if you want to share only in one classroom, then you have to, whatever the classroom you created, it will be shown here. So I am sharing this one to this classroom, so link will be changed. Then click on the copy link. Okay, now the link is copied here. If you want to read the instruction, you can go through these instructions. Now I already made the quiz. Now I can add from here, add. I already opened that one, then link, then I can share here. One option is there, then you can give the title for this quiz or a model exam. Then you can give instruction, for example 60-minute time only available, like that, and you can give instruction. Okay, then you can assign this one, or if you are already have link, this way you can assign to the student, or you can give the take the home page or class page, then you can give us an announcement. So here you can paste the link and give the instruction and post. Okay, now the exam is ready. We can check how it look like for student end. Okay, I'm just copying this one, or I'm just giving to another browser. So look like, first of all, if they didn't sign in, they have to click on sign in option with Google. They had to use, then they had to use their user ID and password. Then the page, the exam page will be look like this one. Okay, you can see the timer is there. You can hear the timer is available there, 59 minutes 52 seconds. So the exam is going to already started, so they had to type their name. So then only, so I'm typing one name there, then they had to submit the answer correctly, or they can skip some question, it's not mandatory. So only answer I made required field. Okay, so here they can answer. Then whenever they are submitting, so paragraph something they are writing the answer, so match the following question will be look like this one, they can answer. If the correct answer is according to that one, they can check. Then now that time is still there, I set 60 minutes there, but according to the question you can set the duration of the quiz or exam. Okay, now they can submit here itself, click after submitting the test like that one, or here submit option, click on that option. Okay, now they can score, view the score option is there, the students can score, check the score. Now from our side, how we can check their response. Now I got response from here. Here the summary of that response will be given here. If you want to see individual, click on the individual, then just now I sent, this is the name of the student Jafar. So first answer correct, second correct. So like that, and we had to check whatever the answer the students are given for this particular exam. Okay, so this way we can mark the exam also.